Hello, everyone. I'm Gloria Oluchi Osuji. I'm a member of the Single Parents Community Group, an offshoot of the Covenant Community Groups. When I joined this Single Parents Community Group, my husband just passed, and it was a devastating blow. You know, when you lose someone, it's as if it's someone who is so close. You know, when you lose a spouse, it's as if the whole world has come tumbling down. But you know, when I joined this group, we were told not to do life alone, come all out. Even if you have lost a spouse or your marriage has ended, that's not the end of your life. Come out, meet people, get connected to people, and start living again, which was my story. I gradually came out of my shell. Of course, I didn't go through therapy because the group was enough therapy for me. I began to live again, socialize. You know, life began to be normal again. So, like I will say, don't do life alone, which is the core message in Covenant community groups. You will see like minds, you will see like groups, you will see like communities where you belong. We have widows who got married again, widowers, single moms with 2 children, with 1 kid. They all got married. Even single moms who got married to men who had never been married before. So that is what our group is for. If you are a widow, a widower, a single mom, you're encouraged to join the Single Parents Community Group, and your life will change for the best.